Amma is making breakfast, Appa is reading the newspaper, Karthik is getting ready for work, and Meena is getting ready for college.
Karthik, Meena. Breakfast is ready.
Amma, I'm late. Can you pack my breakfast?
What's the hurry, Anna? Meeting Priya again?
Stop it, Meena. It's work. I've got an important meeting.
Here, Karthik. And Meena, don't tease your brother. He's got enough stress as it is.
Karthik's phone buzzes with a message from Priya.
Good morning, Karthik. How about coffee this evening? We need to talk.
What could be so urgent?
At the office, Karthik's boss, Mr. Sharma, calls him in for a meeting.
Karthik, we have a serious issue. One of our major clients is unhappy with the recent project. I need you to handle this.
Sir, I'll do my best. What exactly went wrong?
There's a problem with the budget reports. It looks like someone tampered with the numbers. I trust you to sort this out.
Tampered with the numbers? This could be a big problem.
Meanwhile, at school, Meena is having a tough day. She discovers that her best friend, Anjali, has been spreading rumors about her.
Anjali, why are you telling people that I cheated on the exam? Meena, I didn't mean to. I just mentioned that you scored high unexpectedly. That's not fair. I studied hard. Now everyone thinks I cheated. I'm sorry, Meena. I didn't think it would blow up like this. I'll fix it. I promise.
Back at home, Amma receives a call from Chitra, who reveals that she will be visiting for a few days. Amma is excited but also worried about the house being perfect.
So much to do before Chitra arrives. I hope everything goes smoothly. Karthik, Chitra Chitti is coming tomorrow. Can you help clean the house tonight?
Sure, Amma. I have a lot on my plate, but I'll manage.
Evening arrives. Karthik meets Priya at a cafe.
Karthik, I have something important to tell you. My parents are planning to move to another city, and they want me to get married before we leave.
What? But we just met. How can they decide so quickly?
I know, it's sudden. But I wanted to discuss this with you first. What do you think?
I don't know, Priya. This is too much to handle right now. I have my own problems at work.
I get it, Karthik. Let's just take it one step at a time. No rush.
At home, Meena is sitting alone in her room, upset about the rumors. Amma notices and comes in.
Meena, what happened? You look upset.
Amma, Anjali is spreading rumors about me. I feel so betrayed.
Don't worry, Kanna. People will always talk, but you know the truth. Stay strong. Did you talk to Anjali?
Yes, she said she didn't mean it and will fix it.
Good. Give her a chance to make things right.
Karthik returns home, visibly stressed. Appa notices and asks him what's wrong.
Karthik, you look tense. What happened?
Appa, there's a big issue at work. And on top of that, Priya's family wants her to get married soon.
Life is full of challenges, son. Take it one step at a time. Solve the work problem first, then think about Priya.
You're right, Appa. I need to focus.
Later that night, Karthik is working on the budget reports. He finds a discrepancy and realizes that someone from his team might be involved in the tampering.
This is serious. I need to find out who did this. Arun, can you come over? I need your help with something urgent.
Sure, Karthik, I'll be there in 15 minutes.
Arun arrives, and they go over the reports together.
This is bad. Who could have done this? I have a hunch, but I need proof. Let's dig deeper. It's clear now. We need to report this to Mr. Sharma first thing tomorrow.
The next day, Chitra arrives, adding to the family's chaos. Everyone is trying to manage their problems while also dealing with the excitement of her visit.
Hi Akka, missed you so much.
Chitra, so happy to see you.
Secrets, surprises, and challenges keep life interesting. How will Karthik handle the pressure at work and the situation with Priya? Will Meena and Anjali patch things up? Stay tuned for the next episode filled with more twists and turns in our family saga. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means a lot and helps me create more content for you. Thanks for watching.